let's do a forecast reading together. All you're going to need is a card deck. Today I'm working with the Sacred Reflections Oracle deck. I'm the author, Charlene, but you can work with any oracle or tarot. And you're also going to need to download this free printable from my website, sacredreflectionsoracledeck.com, which has the placeholders for what we're going to do with the cards today. Or you can just use a pen and a paper. You don't need to have the printable with you. You can do this at the end of the year, at the beginning of the year, around your birthday, or anytime you just want to check in. This is also really fun to do with friends as like a party. Anytime we're doing card readings or forecast readings in general, everything is fluid, everything is changeable, everything is always moving. So it's always a good idea to kind of recheck in occasionally. Nothing is set in stone. Energy is always fluid and always moving, and nothing is there showing up to scare you or to give you answers that you don't already know deep down. It's really just there to illuminate, guide, support, and create a supportive practice around the energies that are already pre-existing. Maybe you're just buried deep down, we haven't been made aware of yet, things like that. So remember to use discernment, remember that energy is always fluid and nothing is set in stone. This is a service that I offer to clients, but I also like to do it for myself. And every year I like to kind of have this as a nourishing practice where I kind of look ahead at the incoming year, similar to like a horoscope. But you're really not getting any answers. It's more about illumination around the energy that's already existing, things you probably already know deep down, and it's really just bringing that to light. And I think of it as a helpful tool. Okay, so first you're going to shuffle your cards with intention. And you're going to pull 12 cards, one for each month of the year, as well as a card for the theme of the year and a card for a message from your higher self. So shuffle and pull all of those cards. Okay, so you should have 12 cards, one for each month of the year, a theme of the year card, and a higher self card. All right, so since this is a collective reading, I'm going to share what I pulled with all of you. Theme of the year is rites of passage. Take time to honor the journey. So this means that as a collective, we are going to be going through a threshold together. Something is going to change, something will be different, and we will come out different on the other side. So big changes. Now, sometimes a rite of passage, well, all the time a rite of passage can be difficult, but there's growth and learning there, and so it's a time to support yourself. So if that's the theme of the year, that means it's going to be going on the entire year. Sorry guys. And then we have the higher self message, which is the earth spirit card. Find harmony in the earth's embrace. So this is all about spending time in nature, anchoring, grounding, embodiment, really connecting with your environment to find and seek that nourishment as a place of restoration. So that's the theme of the year and the higher self. Then you should have 12 cards, and each card goes for the month of the year. And I'm really looking more at the overall theme or the overall message as sort of the flow of the year, kind of similar to what like a yearly horoscope might look like for you, kind of the same thing. So in January, we have intuition. In February, we have the anchor card. In March, we have the receptive card. In April, we have the blessings card. In May, we have the trust card. In June, we have the obstacles card. In July, we have the ritual card. In August, we have the storm card. In September, we have the inner child. October, we have magic. November, we have shadow, and December, we have energy hygiene. So you're looking at the themes, the colors, the words. And if the year is starting off with trust your intuition, it's about leaning into your gut feelings and really following your heart and not your head, right? That's like the kickoff for the year. Then we have the anchor card, which is really, again, another card about being in nature and being grounded and being centered and finding those foundations for yourself. And then we have the receptive card, which is about learning to receive and not always providing and giving. We have the blessings card, which is about paying attention to all the little things, all the blessings in your life, and allowing those to give you nourishment to move forward. Then we have the trust card. Things are going to be unknown, but we still have to cross the other side and have that faith. There will be obstacles. We will need time to regroup And how do we do that? The card right after that gives you the answer with ritual, with practices, with things like this that help nourish and align, things that resonate with you, that work for you, that create that nourishment throughout your day. Then we have the storm card. Things are going to get a little wild. Then we have the inner child card, which is about seeing life through a child's lens, through awe and wonder and through curiosity, remembering to stay in that place and also nurture your inner child, recognizing that every moment holds magic. You just have to find it. And we've got the shadow card and the energy hygiene card ending out the year. So this is sort of like all the nasty stuff that we all suppress needs to come to the surface to be addressed, and then some good energy hygiene to help that movement process, that cleansing and that healing. So that's a year ahead. I'm moving kind of quick just to give you the tutorial, but that's how you do it at home. And then you can write down, if you print this free printable, you can write this down, each of these things in here, and you can put this on the middle of a vision board, on an altar, as a keepsake, where you can just kind of go back and look at it throughout the year. And if you'd like a Sacred Reflections Oracle deck, you can always find them through the link in my bio on whatever platform you're watching this on. Thanks for watching.